Guys, what's popping up? Today, let's go and play with this helicopter. Now this is the part 2. Come on, I don't know. I have to pay, but it's really hard to do mission 1. Come on, just do it. Let's just do it. I don't want. The timer. Okay, 1 minute now. The timer is here. Come on! Why are you doing stupid ass? Shut up, you Microsoft. Oh, we start. Glitches and all like that. I don't know. I have no idea. Probably I hate these phones. Oh, I wanna virus bleak. Oh, I wanna download that game. If you wanna see this, the part 2 now. We're done with the part 2, okay, guys? So bye bye for now, and I'll see you now for the next part. Also, watch my previous video. It's cool, right? Now bye bye for now. Just me. Subscribe and like the channel. I would want you to. If you do it, I will be very fine now. Bye.